Hello and welcome back to the course on machine learning. Super excited to have you on board, and today I'm going to show you how to install R Studio and the R programming language onto your computer. So it doesn't matter whether you have a Mac or a Windows PC. The steps are very similar. I'm going to be doing this on a Windows PC, so just follow along and we'll get it sorted in no time. Alright, so first thing you'll need is, as always, a browser. So I've got my Chrome browser here, and the first website that we need to go to is https :/ you don't need to type that in, just cran .r-project.org. And so if you go here, you will see a page like this, and here you can download R for Linux, Mac, or Windows. So I'm going to install R for Windows, and that's why I'm going to click this link here, but select the version that's best for your machine. And then once we're here, all we need to do is click this link. This is what you want to install. This is what you want to install R for the first time. So they're just showing you here exactly, and then just install the latest version of R. So actually just download it. You'll get an exe file for Windows, and then you'll just need to run it, and that will install the R programming language onto your machine. So I'm just gonna, while it's downloading, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like for Mac. So if you go for the Mac version, and then here you just need to kind of read through some of these comments, I guess, and download this version over here. This is the latest one. Again, depends on the version of your Mac. If you have the latest version of Mac, then it'll be obvious which version to download. So you'll probably get this version over here and download it onto your Mac. And obviously I don't need that version because my computer is a Windows. And then once you have R downloaded, just run this file. It's going to ask, Windows might ask you some security questions, and then select OK. And then it's just the standard installation process. Just go through this. I'm not going to do this because I already have it installed. Best, of course, to install it on the recommended drive. And once it's installed, that's it. So you've got R on your machine. But the thing here is that we also need an IDE, an integrated development environment, to work with R. And the best environment for working with R, and that I find, and probably most people find, is RStudio. It's a environment developed specifically for working with R, and it is very convenient for a data science type of thing. So to get RStudio, you need to go to www.rstudio.com, one word, and then just click RStudio over here in the bottom. And next on this page, just scroll down and download RStudio Desktop. So it's a free software, just as R is free. RStudio is also free, so just download RStudio for desktop, and then it's going to take you to a download page. And then you just need, make sure just to get the free one, you don't need the commercial license. So you need RStudio Desktop, click download, and then installers. So again, select your platform, whether it's Windows, Mac, or something else, and just download the installer. And there you go, it's going to download to your computer. Give it a second, it's going to start loading just now. There it is. And so once it's loaded, again, all you have to do is run the installation process. Very straightforward. And when it's all done, you'll get RStudio. You'll be able to launch RStudio, which will automatically detect the R programming language which you installed into your machine earlier. And so RStudio looks like this. Congratulations, if you've gotten up to this step, that means you've installed RStudio. So I'm just going to expand it to full screen mode here. And this is exactly the environment that we're going to be working in. And hopefully you're already somewhat familiar with R, and that will help you pick up the tutorials that are upcoming very quickly. And just to finish off today's tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how you can customize RStudio. So if you're on Windows, you need to go to Tools and go to Global Options. On a Mac, it'll be somewhere on the left, there'll be a button RStudio, and then it'll be Preferences, or you can also go through Tools, and it's either Preferences or Global Options. It's not that hard to locate. It's a bit different on a Mac, but still the same kind of menu that you're looking for. And then in Appearance, you can change the appearance of your RStudio. So it's up to you. It's your individual preference. you can change what it looks like. So let me click apply. Let me try a different one. That wasn't a good choice. So Cobalt is a good one. And then you can change the size. So like I'm going to change the size, and in this course you'll see that the size is changed so that we can see better the code, but you don't have to. And then you can just change the different color schemes you want for your code, and you've got some lovely previews over here. And that just helps you better adjust RStudio to your preference. So if you want to default, then you just select TextMate and it will be the default version. And to finish off, let's just quickly type in the standard coding practice for when you install a new programming language on your computer. So we'll just type in print and then in brackets, hello world. That'll be our first program in RStudio. So just press enter after that, and there you go. It's a run for you. On a Mac, I think it's command return to run some code. So there we go. That's RStudio installed. And I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, enjoy machine learning.